Okay, so hey guys, welcome back. This is our room. So let me show you the bathroom real quick. Just standard bathroom, shower, toilets around the corner, nice bathroom. Okay, this is the closet. This is the closet. Nice. Comes with a iron. Has lights. You get a safe and shelves. Extra pillow. If you need extra pillows, you just let them know. Okay, full length mirror right there. Place for our luggage. Cool. Coffee bar. So all the members' rooms are like this. They come with a coffee bar, water carafe, nice screen. That's about a 55-inch screen TV. And then over here is the bed. Very cool. It's a king-size bed. And that right there is a twin Murphy. So if you bring somebody with you, you can pull it down, have extra room to pack, whatever. Has another good-size mirror, drawers, and open this mini fridge, which is stocked. Usually more than this, but if you need more, you can ask, which we will. 2 beers, a 7-Up, and 2 Pepsis, and no water, which is kind of disappointing. I'm gonna have to go ask for some water, but I hear that they are conserving water, and I guess you have to go get some water and ice. So here's the ice bucket. I can deal. I'm gonna have to buy some bottled water though, if they don't have any. Okay, here is our table and chairs. Side of the bed here with an alarm clock. And then all of the member rooms come with a alcohol dispenser. I think this is standard. What they give you is Don Julio tequila, Jack Daniel's whiskey, and Captain Morgan spice rum. Cabinet's kind of cool. But yeah, you have your own dispenser, but it doesn't come with any glasses or shot glasses, I guess, if you're going to drink shots. Blackout screen. And then the best part of this room, I can figure out how to open this. Let's see. Okay, we are going to walk out here to our big balcony, which has a table and chairs. Close this. And a jacuzzi. So you just fill the jacuzzi when you want to go in it. And we have a beautiful oceanfront view of water. Look at that. Very cool. So when we first started coming here, we stayed on the 3rd one from the top. So right there was Jack's mom's room, the presidential suite. And that balcony wraps all the way around. It's really cool. They've changed it now, but it had a living room and a dining room, 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, a jacuzzi tub, a full bedroom. It was really cool. Really cool. I got very spoiled the first time I was here. I still get spoiled every time I'm here. I love the rooms. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So all of these right here on this floor are all jacuzzi suites, and they're all oceanfront. So members and members guests get first claim on the rooms, if you will. Members do first, and then if there's any available, then guests of members would get it. But yeah, we have a full view of the pool, and it's very private. It has this right above it, so nobody can see in. The walls are pretty big, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. Very cool. This is my jacuzzi. We have a jacuzzi at home, but we haven't had it on. So the weather today is really nice. It's been, gosh, we got here, I think we landed at 11. By the time we got out of there, it was almost 12:30, I think. By the time we get here, I think it was almost 12:30. And we went to lunch, come back here, we're going to rest for a while, and then we've got a gala dinner members event later. Members only, it's a dress up kind of event, a little bit fancy, but yeah, it's really fun. So, and our guests, any guests that we bring here or send here, get the same benefits that we do. You guys get to go to the members events, which is pretty cool. So, thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you again soon. Stay tuned and subscribe. Make sure that you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload videos, and there will be lots of videos. We plan on going lots of places, doing some snorkeling, and I'm going to take you guys all along with me. Thanks for watching.